Howdy folks, Twitchy, Mr. Henceforth, Twitchy Henceforth, whatever y'all call me on whatever thing you know me from. As promised, this is the finalized Twitch. It is the way I'm making them. It's got the better screen in it. It's cut out, not near as janky as the first time I did it. It's got a better surround around the button. USB looks a little better. This was the original. This was the original. And I did a whole bunch of modifications. It's still junk. Anyhow, this is the finalized version. Like I said, I cleaned up the screen a lot, cleaned up the button area a lot, repositioned and cleaned up the USB port. Just a whole lot better. I also made it. Now it's got 3,000 milliamp hour batteries in it, lithium polymer. It's got, like I said, the USB charger. Also, right there is the little light for the USB charger to let you know when it's charging or if it's charged, or whichever. Still same multi-position switch that I've been putting in them. Again, you center fire it, push it in the middle, it fires just fine. Fires. You twitch it down, it wattages down. You twitch it up, which it's a little difficult, but I kind of made it that way. Anyways, you twitch it up like so. Twitch it up. It's a little difficult to twitch up and down, but that's kind of the point. That way it's a little more pocket friendly. Anyhow, y'all see the point. It's twitching. It's moving up and down, wattaging up and down. Like I said, push the center button. And it fires. Like I said again, it's got 3,000 milliamp hour batteries in it. USB charger for onboard charging. It's got the little light to let you know what the status of your battery is. Like I said, I cleaned up the screen a lot. It's not near that janky thing that I originally had on there. A lot more cleaner. Kind of got a little convex to it. I was hoping it'd be a little more flat, but it got a little bit convex in there. I don't think it really distracts from the whole overall mod. Change the screws up. It does have security Allen head screws in it. It doesn't have them flathead screws or Phillips head screws that originally came in it. Standard 510 threading on it. Just your normal everyday 510 thread. Just lava gin on top of it. Specialty tube that my buddy X-Ray made me for my lava gin. It's a stainless steel tube, and then he powder coated it this metallic blue. It's pretty awesome. If you're into that kind of thing, I kind of like it. Well, I had him do it. So anyhow, back to the mod. And like I said, 3,000 mAh batteries, USB charging. It's got the multi-purpose switch. That's the only button on it. As you can see, there's only one, and it's actually a 5-position switch. Obviously we don't need all 5 positions, but it does have 5 positions. I decided to use it because I can use 3 of them. Still the same old features. You click it 5 times. It goes into lockout mode. You click it and then hold down, and you'll see it goes from normal mode, and it will go into stealth mode eventually whenever this thing finally times out and goes into stealth mode. There's stealth mode. Okay, click it 5 times. It goes black. It's in stealth mode. See, it's in stealth mode. 5 times. Goes into lock mode. Center fire, pull down, and it goes from stealth mode back into normal mode here in just a second. There it goes. And then push and hold, do the up twitch, goes from left mode to right mode, which I set that automatically. Obviously you don't want it in right mode because it would look a little weird if the display looked something like this once it gets in the right mode. I guess if you're into that kind of thing, if you want to read all your numbers upside down, that's your call. I go ahead and preset them so that it goes into left mode so that it can be read properly when you're looking directly at it. But all the modes that come on the DNA 20 do work. Again, 5 times. It's in the fire mode. Push the button, it lights up. Push it center. And there you go, it fires. Again, it's the Twitch. I don't know if anybody's interested in it. It's a pretty sturdy mod. I've had this one for quite some time. Again, it was the prototype, and it's been vaping. it did have a rebuild. I decided to go ahead and put the larger 3,000 mAh batteries in it. Went on ahead and cleaned up the center fire button, cleaned up the screen. It's still janky as crap. It's it's the prototype. What can you say? So anyhow, this is the production model. This is what I'm looking at. I'm probably going to offer, maybe a squared up, very similar to this one, where it's got the square edges. If you're interested in that, big deal. If not, that's pretty much how I'm doing them right now. I can make them squared, I can make them round, I can make them squared with the round edges. I mean, either way. But that's how it looks right now. That's about it. I'm possibly going to start getting them powder coated so that they're different than just black. But at the moment they're black. I'm hoping maybe eventually to start putting some graphics on the back, similar to what people are doing with their Rios and things of that nature. I don't know. It may be an option at a later point. Right now I don't have the facilities nor the equipment to do it. It's a plan I've got. If I can get it done, I can get it done. If I can't, I can't. But this is your basic Twitch. That's it. It's just your box. Just a good old Hammond box. It's got your USB charger, your box, your switch, DNA20, 3,000 mAh batteries built in. Standard 510 connector. I might make some that are specialty if you're a 901 user and 808 user. I don't even know who uses 808s anymore, but if you're an 808 user, I can make it that way. I'm gonna make them standard 510s. If you want a specialty one that's something other than 510, just let me know, and we can. It's just a connector. It all goes together the same. But quick bait. Anyhow, that's it. There's the Twitch. Just I guess another box mod. How many of them are out there? I don't know. But if you're interested, you can find me on Vapors Forum. You can catch me here on YouTube. I'm on anyhow, like I said, Vapors Forum here on YouTube. Twitchy on Vapors Forum. Twitchy, I think, is Twitchy Henceforth here on YouTube. I'm also a member of Vape TV. Watch it all the time. I'm Mr. Henceforth on there. Y'all probably see me around if anybody, maybe. Anyhow, it's just another box mod, something I like doing. I've got a few things in the works, some plans. I've got to get a little bit more machinery in to be able to do them, but maybe I can appeal to more people. Anyhow, just want to show it to you. There's a production model. It's the Twitchy. I've sold about 6 or 8 of them now. Anyhow, just finally got around to making a video of it. So there you go. That's the Twitchy. Y'all enjoy.